children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to revise the chapter water. We already finished the lesson and we have finished writing the exercises. And last class I have given you question answers. Hope you all are studying the words and question answers. And another important thing, see, tomorrow you will have lesson 4 class test. So regular class video will not be there. Okay, I will not upload regular class video because tomorrow you will have lesson 4 class test. So prepare well, study well for the examination. Okay, children? And today we can revise the chapter water. We can discuss the important points from that chapter today. And also I will give you name the following. Okay, are you ready? Good. So dear children, let us revise this chapter, water. So what are the important things that we have discussed? Yes. One is different uses of water, and second, different sources of water, and third, how to make water safe for drinking. Okay, so water is very important for all of us because all living things need water to live. Okay, 3/4 of the earth's surface is filled with water, but a small part of water is good for use. Okay, and the main source of water is rain. Main source of fresh water is rain. Rain fills all the wells, ponds and rivers. Okay, and a part of water is absorbed by soil. Okay, so rainwater fills wells, ponds, rivers, etc., and these are the sources of water. Okay, now what are the different uses of water? Yes, water is used for drinking, bathing, okay, cooking, watering plants, washing clothes, cleaning floor, etc. Okay, these are the important uses of water in our day-to-day life. What are the different uses of water? Washing clothes, cleaning floor, okay, bathing, cooking, drinking, etc. are important uses of water in our day-to-day life. Okay, next, sources of water. What are the different sources of water? Well, ponds, rivers, springs, lakes, etc. Okay, and sea is a water source, but sea water is salty and cannot be used. Okay, sea water is used to make salt. Springs, what are called springs? In some places, water gushes out from under the ground. Okay, so it is well. We dig well to get groundwater. So groundwater either gushes out from under the ground in some places, and in some places we dig wells to get groundwater. Okay, hand pumps and rope and pulley are the instruments that we use to fetch water from well. Okay, and next is ponds. Pond is a still water body. It is very small compared to lakes. Okay, and in ponds water does not flow. Okay, lakes are bigger than ponds. Lakes are bigger than ponds, but lake is also an example of still water body. In still water body, water does not flow. And next is river. A river is a flowing water body. Okay, river is a flowing water body. It starts from mountains and flow through different places and finally reaches the sea. Okay, and river is a flowing water body. In some places, mountain region, in summer also, rivers are having plenty of water. Okay, and next is how to make water safe for drinking. Okay, boiling is the simplest method of making water safe for drinking. Boiling is the simplest method of making water safe for drinking. And next we can revise new words. Okay, see, hope you all are doing oral practice daily, and also you have to write at least 5 times daily. Okay, then only you can by heart the spellings. Okay, children. So first one, water. What is the spelling of water? W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. You can repeat with me. Okay. First, what is the spelling of water? W-A-T-E-R, water. Then drinking spelling, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Then bathing, B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. Next, washing, W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. Next is cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Sixth one, sources, S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources. This word is new to you, I think. So you have to repeat several times to by heart the spelling, and also you have to write and study. Okay, sources spelling, S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources. And next is fresh water, F-R-E-C-H-W-A-T-R, fresh water. Fresh, what is the spelling of fresh? F-R-E-C-H, fresh, W-A-T-E-R, water. Okay, and F-R-E-C-H, fresh, W-A-T-E-R, water, fresh water. Next is rainwater. See, what is the spelling of rain? R-A-I-N, rain. Water spelling, W-A-T-E-R, water. So by combining these two words, we will get rainwater. Okay, R-A-I-N, rain, W-A-T-R, water, rainwater. Again, R-A-I-N, rain, W-A-T-E-R, water, rainwater. Again, R-A-I-N, rain, W-A-T-E-R, water, rainwater. Ninth one, groundwater, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, W-A-T-E-R, water, groundwater. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, W-A-T-E-R, water, groundwater. Tenth one, springs, S-P-R-I-N-G-S, springs, S-P-R-I-N-G-S, springs. 11th one, oceans, O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans, O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. 12th one, rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. 13th one, hand pump, H-A-N-D, hand, P-U-M-P, pump, hand pump. H-A-N-D, hand, P-U-M-P, pump, hand pump. H-A-N-D, hand, P-U-M-P, pump, hand pump. 14th one, boiling, B-O-I-L-I-N-G, boiling, B-O-I-L-I-N-G, boiling. Okay, every day you have to write 5 times at least. Okay, children, write and study properly. Next is question answer. First question, why is water important for us? Why is water important for us? Yes, water is important for us because all living things need water to live. Why is water important for us? Water is important for us because all living things need water to live. Okay, water is important for us because all living things need water to live. Okay, second question, can plants and animals live without water? No, plants and animals cannot live without water. So, can plants and animals live without water? No, plants and animals cannot live without water. Can plants and animals live without water? No, plants and animals cannot live without water. Third one, how do lakes and rivers fill up? Rainwater fills up lakes and rivers. Rainwater fills up lakes and rivers. How do lakes and rivers fill up? Rainwater fills up lakes and rivers. Okay. How do lakes and rivers fill up? Rainwater fills up lakes and rivers. Okay, rainwater fills up lakes and rivers. Fourth one, what do we do to get groundwater? We dig wells to get groundwater. We dig wells to get groundwater. What do we do to get groundwater? We dig wells to get groundwater. Okay, only 4 questions and answers from this chapter. You need to study only 4 questions and answers. One more question is there in the textbook, but no need to study that question. Okay. Next is name the following. Any 2 sources of water. Any 2 sources of water. Very simple, right? Well and pond. You can write well, you can write pond, you can write river, you can write spring. Okay, you can write lake. Okay, any 2 sources you can write. Here I have written well and pond. Either you can write the same answer or you can write your own answers. Okay, any 2 sources of water. What are the 2 sources of water? Well, pond. Any 2 sources of water. Well, pond. Second one, any 2 still water body. What is the speciality of still water body? Yes, in still water body, water does not flow. For example, ponds and lakes. In ponds and lakes, water does not flow. Okay, so what will be the answer? Lake and pond. Okay, any 2 still water body? Lake, pond. Any 2 still water body? Lake, pond. Any 2 still water body? Lake, pond. Okay, and third one, well is also an example of still water body. Okay, if you want to write well, you can write, no problem. Third one, any 2 flowing water body. Any 2 flowing water body. Any 2 flowing water body. River, springs. Any 2 flowing water body. River, springs. Any 2 uses of water. Bathing, cooking. Drinking, you can write drinking, you can write washing, you can write cleaning. See, any 2 uses you can write. Okay, here the answer is bathing and cooking. Any 2 uses of water, bathing and cooking. Any 2 uses of water, bathing and cooking. Okay, children? So similarly, every day you revise. Okay, every day you have to revise the question answers, spellings, name the following, etc. Okay, and another important thing, see, tomorrow you will have class test lesson 4. So regular class video will not be there. Okay, information regarding the class test of chapter 5 will be given later. Okay, children? Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.